One of the most common questions I hear is, how much homeowners insurance do I actually need? It's a great question, and getting the right amount of coverage is key to protecting your home and your peace of mind. Let's break it down in simple terms. First, let's talk about dwelling coverage. This is the amount of insurance you need to rebuild your home if it's completely destroyed. And here's the important part. It's not based on your home's market value or what you paid for it. Instead, it's based on the cost to rebuild. That includes materials, labor, and even debris removal. In Florida, construction costs can vary and sometimes spike after a major disaster. It's a good idea to work with your insurance provider to calculate an accurate replacement cost. Next, there's personal property coverage. This protects your belongings, like furniture, electronics, and clothing. A good rule of thumb is to have coverage that's about 50% to 70% of your dwelling coverage. For example, if your home is insured for $300,000, you might want $150,000 in personal property coverage. And don't forget to take an inventory of your valuables to make sure you're fully covered. Keeping receipts of your furnishings and appliances, as well as having photographs, can help expedite your recovery after a fire, storm, or theft. Now let's talk about liability coverage. This protects you if someone gets injured on your property and you're held responsible. Most policies start at $100,000, but in today's world, many experts recommend at least $300,000 or more. If you have significant assets, you might even consider an umbrella policy for extra protection. If you have a pet, it's always smart to consider including coverage for bites. Another important area is loss of use coverage. This helps pay for temporary living expenses if your home becomes unlivable due to a disaster like a fire or hurricane. Finally, and here's the big one for Florida, flood insurance. Standard homeowners insurance doesn't cover flooding, and with our risk of storm surge and heavy rains, it's worth considering a separate flood insurance policy. Even if you're not in a high-risk flood zone, flooding can happen anywhere. The maximum coverage you can purchase through the National Flood Insurance Program is $250,000 for your home and $250,000 for your contents. If this isn't enough, excess flood insurance is available through the private market. So how much homeowners insurance do you need? The answer depends on your home, your belongings, and your personal situation. The best thing you can do is work with your insurance provider to customize a policy that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit our website or give us a call.